What's up, y'all? It's Tanisha from the I Listen Network. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, y'all. Today's video is about, oh my gosh, this girl. I'm really starting to wonder where these girls are really, growing up at. Who is raising these girls, y'all? You ain't got nothing better else to do with your time. Your mind is even going to fixate putting your dirty ass mouth on a dirty ass goddamn doorknob, y'all. Yeah, a straight doorknob.
OMG, this is disgusting.
Attention type of shit is this? You want that much of fucking attention? You propped your camera up, your phone up, and made a video like this? And people be doing shit just for views, yo. Orange hair. Mouth on a doorknob. For real, y'all. This is just sad. This is sad. And she might not even have any kids. But you gonna have some kids and you gonna, this is what they get to see. Because this is always on the internet. Always on the goddamn internet. And you don't mind being the butt of a joke. Mind being on YouTube all over the place. For this here. This is beyond 304. Beyond. This is gutter duck activity. She's a fucking goose, y'all. Her morale is far gone. Just throw a whole bunch of mud on her.
Just ratchet and just disgusting. Who raised her? What, was she raised? Yeah, y'all, she clearly don't give a fuck. My God, what y'all think about this video? She's straight swamp, dirty water type gutter chick. She belongs to the swamp. Comment down below, let me know y'all thoughts. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe to his channel so you get more videos like this or any video that I post up. And definitely press the post notification bell so you know when I'm dropping it. That's right, y'all, so y'all never miss a video. Now, this is Tanisha from the I Listen Network. Thanks for watching.